Hello at welcome ulit sa kusina ni Mrs. O. Medyo mahaba yung intro na to, so winawarn ko na kayo. Because today is September 11. We're shooting this today, September 11. So September 11 is the birthday of my father. And then September 16, birthday naman ng asawa ko. Fact number 1, 2. And fact number 3 is meron po tayong active na feeding program. No? So when we say feeding program, we target children below 4 years old who are in need nutritious meals. No? So, ibig sabihin, it's not to substitute their meal at home, it's supplementary feeding or complementary feeding na pinatawag natin. So, basically, ito yung mga underweight, wasted. So, ibig sabihin sila yung talagang masyadong magaang for their age, or bansot for their age, na yung tinatawag na stunted or stunting. So, we're trying to catch that golden window of opportunity para ma-heal sila. Yun na yung intro ko, no? Nasa intro pa lang tayo. I think nasa day 30-something na kami. Tuloy-tuloy po to. Everyday po tayo nag-feeding 120 days. Dahil as you all know, fact number 4, I'm serving as president of my Rotary Club Manila 101. And my husband also is serving naman our city. So, ibig sabihin, for today, September 11, meron active na feeding program at 3 p.m. today. So, sabi namin, since magbe-birthday yung asawa ko next week, bakit hindi tayo magdagdag sa feeding program today? Kaya magluluto po tayo ng spaghetti para sa mga bata. So, ang tawag ko ay, ito na yung intro na napakahaba, Kiddie Spaghetti. Pero, sabi ko nga, hindi lang siya normal na kiddie spaghetti because we want nutritious meals. So, we're going to be mixing vegetables with the spaghetti para hindi na mahalata ng mga chikiting na meron tayong gulay finifeed sa kanila kasi syempre natatakot sila sa gulay. So, yun ang ating recipe for today. Kaya ang kusina ni Mrs. O ay lalabas sa kusina mamaya. Because ang pinaka magte-taste test ay yung mga chikiting na ito kung pasado pa sa kanila at hindi nila nahalatang may gulay. Tingnan natin kung kakainin nila. We'll be cooking the spaghetti. I'll show you our cute packaging kasi nga para to sa birthday ng asawa ko. Tapos na yung intro ko. Let's go! Let's cook! So, ito na ang ordinary oil. So, that's vegetable oil. Okay. So, basically, ang ingredients is I actually mix a little bit of ground beef and ground pork. But that's entirely up to you. So, if you want it to just be pure pork, it's okay. But, you know, ako, I just like combining. That's just my recipe. And then, of course, hindi mawawala ang hot dog. Kids just love hot dogs. What I will do is I will fry it first and ita-topping ko na lang siya later. And then, carrots na dinaan namin sa chopper, no? So, chop-chop nyo lang siya. At kalabasa. Para sa ice yung carrots, diba? Tapos konting memory. So, hindi ako magaling sa ano. Hindi ko memorize yung mga eksaktong ano nila, no, contribution. Pero obviously, it's more vegetables is more nutritious. You know, in fact, I review our diet, no, my husband and I, what I cook here at home. And my gosh, super cool lang talaga kami ng vegetables. So now, this is hot. I'm just going to saute first the hot dog. Kasi half of it, dahil kusina ni Mrs. O, kailangan mag-decorate tayo ng plating, diba? So let me just saute the hot dog a little bit. So any brand will do. I think, parang trivia lang to, no? Isn't it interesting na ang hotdog natin is very mapula, no? I don't know why, but there's apparently a study that the kids are more attracted to it, na reddish. So that's why I think I demoed before spaghetti. As you notice, iba yung spaghetti ko ron kasi it's adults who are eating it. This time, if it's children who are eating it, I'd like to make it more red, right? So it's more attractive to them kasi nga there's a study. So, what I will do is, I will just saute this hot dog. I'm not gonna mix anything. And then, gonna put some sa top, no? Para kita nila meron 2 or 3 hot dog. Nakalimutan ko sabihin sa'yo, we're feeding about 20 children and 2 pregnant women. So, we have been feeding them. This is located in Barangay Concepcion. So, we've been doing that over 30 days na. Nice naman kasi nag-gain ng weight. Pero sa totoo lang yung mga active na bata, hindi naman eksakto 20. Ibig sabihin may mga absenteeisms for various reasons. Minsan nagkakasakit yung nanay or sometimes biglang nakahanap ng working nanay. So, walang magdadala sa anak nila sa community. This is actually just a rehash or a sort of the version of our KKC. KKC stands for Karinderya para sa Kalusugan Chikiting. So basically, besides us feeding these children, we actually partner with a karinderya or a home-based cook, no? When I say home-based cook, di ba meron yung mga tao, nagluluto lang sila from off their house, they post in Facebook, and they sell it for lunch. So we try to partner with people like that kasi at least we add income. So yung for today, it's special because it's my dad's birthday. We're shooting it for my husband's birthday. Kaya magdadagdag tayo ng spaghetti. But I'm not the one who cooks, no? Pero feeling ko, after this episode, may mga magre-request, magdala tayo ng Kiddie Spaghetti sa kanilang mga barangay. So let's see about that. Tsaka yung hairband ko, maraming salamat. Magiging birthday naman yan sa Sunday kay Tita Beth, Mama Beth. Siya nagbigay niyan sa akin. O, di ba? Feel ko lang mag-hairband today kasi nawala na yung juju dito sa bahay. Kung nakikita nyo, mukhang naglinis kami more, no? Normally, you do spring cleaning on January. But to be honest, I've been bad this year. I wasn't really able to do spring cleaning. So, ngayon ko lang talaga nahabol. And it's September already. Ngayon talaga kami nag-spring cleaning. So, pag nagtataka, bakit ka ba pagod na pagod? Because, you know, we cleaned the house. I don't know why, but there was just something pushing me to start cleaning the house and reorganizing. Baka dahil ghost month. Hindi ko alam, pero I spoke to some friends who are doing the same thing. I'm replacing this. This is dirty na because this was the raw hot dog. Baka mamaya may mga nanonood na. So ngayon, naaamoy ko na ang hot dog. Yan, naamoy ko na, naluluto na siya. Ooh. I'm just cooking the sauce. Yung spaghetti, nuluto na ni Ate Vicky para mas mabilis tayo mag-demo. Kasi ang haba ng intro, di ba? In-explain ko pa na ang birthday. Kaya ang September is such a busy month kasi nga birthday ng dad ko, birthday ng asawa ko. So parang 5 days apart, no? And then birthday din ng tita ko. So August, sa month na ang dami rin sa family namin may birthday. September is the same, no? Ang dami rin. So it's really full of celebrations. But of course, every birthday should be celebrated. So anyway, so here, so yun na siya. Yun ang ating hot dog for the kiddies. Hindi alam ng mga kiddos. We just told them that we were gonna add spaghetti. But hindi nila alam na we also prepared other things for them, no? So, meron kaming parang taon pack, then meron kaming para sa mga parents, spaghetti pack, para i-continue nila yung birthday celebration ng tatay ko, tsaka ng asawa ko sa bahay nila. Lutuan nila yung pamilya nila. I think on my birthday, that's what I did too. I really didn't celebrate. I gave out spaghetti packs, things so they can cook it at home. Just a little bit of garlic kasi it's kiddie, so they're not really. And then, I'm just going to be adding the carrots. While that's sauteing, I'm just gonna show you something. I bought this in advance and, so syempre, if I put this inside, dudumihan, diba mo sa soil. So what I will do is, I'll wrap it. Gagawin ko lang yung packaging. Of course, nakikita niyo na yung Pogi Bear. There. Para lang it's more hygienic. Tapos, ipapack natin siya later. Kaya, we're giving away Pogi Bear. So, mamaya, i-ribbon ko yan. Kita nyo lang. Tapos, bumili ako nito sa Lazada. Happy birthday to you. O, diba? So, later, we will ribbon that. So, let's go. Continue cooking. So, now, I'm mixing the ground pork and the ground beef. No? So, as a guide, our target is to create 60 packed meals. No? But, syempre, obviously, hindi naman to for 60. So, this will feed about 15. Ginawa namin nag-batch cooking kami para mas mabilis, no? Hindi mapanisan. If you're cooking for a lot of people, what we do is batch cooking. Para kunyari may go over na, medyo napanis na, matitrace natin anong batch yun. So that's what we do. Right now, this is the last batch. It is now about 11 a.m. and our target time is to leave here by 2:30. Anyway, so nagpa-prepare kami. Besides the spaghetti, ang alam lang nila may spaghetti, magbibili pa kami ng chicken. Tapos, mag-uwi sila ng spaghetti pack. Tapos, yung mga bata, meron din silang baon pack. So, di nila alam yon. Surprise yun. So, tingnan natin yung reaction. Even the barangay who helps us, like si Kapeng, tsaka si Kagawad Eds, they don't know that there's a surprise. But you know, when we go there kasi sa community, there are other children who are 7 years old, 8, 9, or even 12, who just watch and observe or help out. Like, they help us fix the chairs. And some of the 12-year-olds there are beneficiaries of the original. Ibig sabihin, we've been doing this for years. Ito na yung mga younger siblings nila. Out of the 20 children, 2 of those, sila na yung younger siblings. So, it's something we like doing, no, my husband and I. So, there you go. The salt, no? Careful lang tayo sa salt because they're children, but, you know, 2 teaspoons. I'm not gonna put pepper simply because they're kids. So, at this one, what are we trying to accomplish? We're trying to brown the meat. Ewan ko kung nag-grocery kayo, no? But in the grocery, you see this sauce, creamy cheese, and then tomato sauce, no? So that's what I like mixing together. If you want it a bit mas sweet pa, you can do the sweet kind. We add some cheese and some tomato paste. The tomato paste, I really just added for color. Kasi nga, like what you said, kids are attracted to red. That's the only thing na hinahabol ko. But in reality, do we really need the tomato paste? Not really, for me, for this recipe. Actually, I was tempted to copy the recipe of my friend, si Dennis Martin, a friend of mine. Kasi he fed me spaghetti when I ate sa bahay niya. Yung spaghetti naman niya, he uses ground beef, I think, and meat. He adds pickled relish. So I found that a little bit interesting that there was pickled relish. Tapos may konting anghang. So, since yung pickled relish nga is a little bit sweet, but not straight to your vein sweet, ang sarap ng pagkatamis ng kiddie spaghetti niya. And I fed it to my husband, gustong-gusto niya. Pero, for now, na-tempt ako, hindi ko na lang muna kakopyahin. So, here, another thing what the tomato paste does also is once you start cooking and you buy ground meat, beef or pork, you don't really see ilan yung fat niya. Even if it says lean meat, there's still a little bit of fat that they mix into it. Kasi nga, ground beef is made up of yung mga dito sa leg or yung mga hindi na nabebenta na karne the day before. So, sila yung ginagawang pinaprocess ng ground meat, right? In a way, it's a mixture of parts. It's sirloin, it could be the loin, it could be the thigh, it could be the butt, it could be the neck. So, talaga siyang may fat. The tendency of that is nagkakaroon ng extra oil. Now, I'm going to mix the tomato paste para sa ganon, ma-absorb niya yung mga oil na yan or yung fats na yon. Because you don't want some oily spaghetti. Matuturn off yung mga bata sa atin. So, here you go. Tapos, I'm just gonna add a little bit of hot dog into this. A little bit. Mix lang natin properly. I'm gonna put first the tomato sauce kasi mini-measure ko yung pagka-red niya. That's what we're making habol. Nakaka-pressure kasi yung titikam ngayon, kids don't lie, di ba? Kaya, sa totoo lang, they're the toughest judges, di ba? Kids don't lie. Talagang integrity and credibility ang taste testers natin ngayong araw na to dahil mga chikiting, di ba? Kids are the toughest. This one, it's still a little bit hearty, so I'm just gonna add more sauce. If you will measure it, 1 cup yung tomato sauce, parang half cup yung cheesy sauce. So, parang kalahati. Yeah. I think, nag-demo na tayo ng spaghetti before. Di ba, I add cheese. Yun. I add cheese talaga to my spaghetti. There. Nakita nyo na ba yung gulay? It totally disappeared, right? You cannot even say that there's carrots or kalabasa. This one, I'm just gonna add a little bit of sugar. I think for kids, they would need to make it a bit sweeter. And then I'm gonna add more salt. Yeah. This is almost ready. We will just simmer this about 2 minutes. And then now, meron tayong itong spaghetti. Let's start packing. Diba? Like this, baka hindi, walang hotdog yung iba. Yung iba meron na. So you remember kanina, di ba? Binalot ko. Only because I want to be hygienic about it. Tara! Di ba ang cute? We're ready for our ultimate, ang pinaka-critical, pinaka-mahigpit na maghuhusga kung masarap o hindi ang ating mga chikiting from Santo Niño sa Barangay Concepcion. So, let's step out of the kitchen! Hello! Ngayon papunta na tayo sa Santo Niño, sa Barangay Concepcion. And basically, it's our feeding program na dadagdagan lang natin ng spaghetti. Pero there's 2 surprises. Una, hindi alam ng mga nanay na meron kaming special gifts sa kanila. Hindi rin alam ng mga bata na meron din kaming special gifts sa kanila. At yung pangatlong maso-surprise, hindi rin alam ng asawa ko na may surprise rin sa kanya, ang community. So, pagdating din niya, kakantan siguro siya ng happy birthday. I think meron silang gift na cakes. 3 tao maso-surprise. So, let's see kung Ayan, tapos na tayo galing Santo Niño here at Barangay Concepcion. So, sana happy mga nanay. Mukha namang hindi nalata ng chikiting no, na puno ng kalabasa at saka carrots sa kanilang spaghetti. It was very hearty. I think na-surprise din yung asawa ko na meron siyang cake. So, that's it for this episode of Kusina ni Mrs. O. Nalumabas na kami finally ng kusina. Hope to see you soon in our next episodes. Bye!